Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. Do you recognise these flowers? Don't worry, we're not in the gardening group. This is a song, and it's a song by Richard Rodgers, who wrote it with Oscar Hammerstein II for the musical The Sound of Music. It's a lovely little song, like the flowers, and it's not too difficult to play. It's only got 5 chords, so it's fairly good for beginners. Richard Rodgers and Oscar Hammerstein wrote some major musicals: Oklahoma, Carousel, South Pacific, The King and I, and this one, The Sound of Music, which is loosely and mostly inaccurately actually based on the story of the Trapp family singers in Salzburg in Austria in 1938, where a retired naval officer and a widow employs a governess for his 7, in reality it's 10 children. Because of the potential dangers of religious discrimination, however, they plan to escape the Nazis who have invaded Austria. Again, the real story is very different, but nevertheless, it's a lovely little song, and as I say, relatively easily. I'll sing it and then I'll go through all the chords. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright. You look happy to meet me, blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow, bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow, bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. The chords are relatively easy, as I say. There's a C, it's in the key of C major, so the first chord is a C chord. Edel, then it goes to a G7, Weiss, back to C, Edel, F, 5, F, C again, Re, stay on the C, morning you greet, G7, Mi, C, G7, white, C, green, F, white, you look, G7, T to meet me. Then the middle bit goes from a G chord, some of G7, blow away you see and grow, F chord, and now a D7. I'm using the Hawaiian D7, it's easier, and G, G7, then back to C, Edel, G7, G, Edel, G, G7, F, and to this, just the last verse, and then to a C to finish with. Fairly straightforward. The strumming pattern, I can just use a straightforward brush across with the thumb, and I can do it either right across or slowly, which is nice. But I also did the middle section with a finger style, which is thumb across the bottom 4th string, bottom in pitch, remember, not bottom in where you are. C, G7, and I'm using that pattern most of the way through. It's a thumb followed by the first finger on the 3rd string, second finger on the 2nd string, and 3rd finger on the 1st string. There are various patterns you can do with that, or you can also play all three together. Play into the hand. So, there are two possibilities there for the accompaniment. Have a go at it. It's a lovely little song. Well, I hope you have a go at that, and if you do, I hope you enjoy it. Whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.